Want to see what kind of fun little goodies they put in a LookFantastic beauty box? Well, keep watching to find out. What's up, gorgeous people? It's Amber. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I have for you yet another beauty box. How many more of these things can I do? I'm not sure. Maybe I'll try them all. We'll see how it goes. But in today's video, I have a LookFantastic beauty box for you. Now, this was one that popped into my Instagram feed and they totally roped me in by saying that I got my first box free. Just had to pay for shipping. So I thought, why not? But when you do that, you also sign up for at least 3 months membership when you get that first box for free. So I'm definitely going to be getting at least 3 more boxes from this company and hopefully they're good. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. I really don't need any more beauty boxes, but I was totally sold on the first box free thing. So they totally roped me in. Their marketing worked very well. Okay, so let's jump into a quick look of what the company is all about, how you get this box, so on and so forth, and then we'll jump into what I got in my box. Let's do that now. Okay, guys, so when you get to their website, it looks like this. You're going to want to click at the very top of the page there where it says Beauty Box. And once you click there, it will take you here. And this gives you a brief description of how the company works and the plans that are available. And if you click the subscribe now button, it'll take you to the plans. But we're going to scroll on down here to the next part where it has a better breakdown of how it all works. Okay, so step 1 is to subscribe. So you're going to choose from their 1, 3, 6, or 12-month subscription plans. And what I like about this company is they charge you monthly for your plan, regardless of which one you choose to do. They will give you a little bit of a discount if you choose one of the longer plans, but they will only charge you on a monthly billing period as opposed to charging you the full amount upfront for whatever subscription plan you have chosen. So what I did not realize about this company is apparently they are located in the UK. So they do offer free international delivery to the United States. Your subscription will automatically renew at the end of your chosen subscription period. Okay, so let's move on to step 2, where it tells you you're going to receive a curated collection of 6 beauty products with a guaranteed worth of over $60. That's a pretty good value. So let's move on to step 3, where you can join their global community by sharing your beauty journey with them and tagging at LookFantasticUS and using the hashtag LFBeautyBox. Okay, that's a pretty cool thing. So let's go ahead and scroll down to the very last part of the page. And we're just going to click the subscribe button. Once you click that button, it's going to take you to their subscription page where you can select which plan is best for you. The 1 month is $19, the 3 month is $18, the 6 month $17, and the 12-month one is $16 per month. They will not charge you the full amount. You will be charged in monthly installments for whatever plan you choose. Okay, now let's see what they put in my beauty box. Okay, guys, so here's the box. Gotta say, their packaging is pretty darn stellar. I love the color of the box. It is a very well-made box. Again, another one that I will definitely be using for like Christmas gifts, birthday gifts, whatever. But it's definitely good to use for all of those things that I just mentioned. So let's see what they put in this thing. Okay, guys, so when I first opened up the box, you get this booklet in there, which is really nice because it gives you a brief description of what I'm guessing are all the products they stuck in this box. But I noticed the cost is not in US dollars. So it just hit me like a ton of bricks that this company must not be in the United States, which is fine. But I just didn't realize that when I ordered the box because it came really fast. So it's kind of surprising. I guess I'm going to have to do a little bit more research and I'll let you guys know exactly where this company is located. I'm sure I did that in the previous segment when I did a brief description of the company. But yeah, that was kind of a surprise. So let's jump into what I got in this thing. Okay, guys, so the first thing that I grabbed is this. So it's a Caudali. I don't know, guys. You tell me what that is. But anyways, it's some kind of serum. It says it's a radiance serum for complexion correction. Okay. Glad they put all that on there. I'm not going to be able to tell you the prices right now. I'm sure I'll pop it up on the screen what the US dollars are. But this is not in US dollars, so I have no idea. But it says it's a worldwide cult favorite. Wow. So I have to join the cult to use this thing? I don't know. So it says for a good reason that it's a worldwide cult favorite. It's a facial serum packed full of something I can't pronounce. I'll pop it here. I have no idea what that is. Okay, so it says it's 62 times more effective than vitamin C. 62 times? Now, how do they figure that out? Who does that? I mean, most people are just like, oh, it's 10 times more. No, this one is 62 times more effective, not 10 times. Just saying. That's what it says here. And it's scientifically proven to lighten dark spots in just 4 weeks. I'm totally trying this, and I will definitely update you guys in 4 weeks if it actually works. But yeah, you apply it before bed onto cleansed skin, massaging into the face and neck. That's how it's used. It's part of a cult. What more do you guys need from me? Let's see what else is in here. Okay, guys, so the next product in here is this. I'm sure you don't know what it is because I didn't either. And it says on the back here that it's a mineral blush in Amaretto. Okay, so I'm totally down for that. Oh, do I have to lift this up or like, yeah, how does it work? I was gonna like, you know, but this stuff gets like difficult sometimes, trying to get it opened, and I feel like it's just boring watching somebody try to open something when they can't get it opened. Just saying. And I clearly can't get this open, so we're gonna pause, come back, and I'll swatch it for you. Okay, guys, with the help of some little tools here, I was able to get this opened, and I can tell you it's going to be kind of light on my skin. Can you guys see that at all? It's going to be kind of light, so it appears, but I also got one that was this similar color from Shop to Say, and I actually have it on right now. I kind of like the way these ones look on my skin because it's like you're wearing blush but not wearing blush because of my skin tone. So I'm feeling this one. I'm definitely liking it a lot. Let me set this down here. It says it's a creamy, non-comedogenic. Do I have to be like a scientist to use their products? Because I don't know what these words mean. Just saying. And recommended by both makeup artists and dermatologists. This mineral blusher will bring a healthy flush of color to your face. I don't know what that word is. It says WHILST. Did they spell it wrong, or is that a real word? You guys let me know. Looking completely natural. Okay, great. So that is that product. Again, I'll pop the prices up when I figure how much they are in US dollars. But let's move on to the next product. Okay, guys, so the next thing that was in here is this. I know it's a mascara. I got that much from it. But it also says on here, which really caught my eye when I pulled it out of the bag, that it's caffeine for wide awake eyes. What? So they put caffeine in the mascara? That I want to see what it does. Does that do anything? Just ask it. Nonetheless, that's kind of cool advertising. I don't know. They caught my eye with this. It's not very big. Hopefully it's black, I'm assuming. Yeah, it's black. And it has like one of those little curly ones, which I actually prefer. So we'll give this guy a go and we'll see how well it works because I'm always looking for a good mascara. Actually, when you get to pick your products in a lot of these makeup things, I always pick mascara. Either that or eyeliner. Whatever. So this guy says you will get long and volumized lashes with the help of their Ico mascara with a curved brush to coat each and every lash. How about that? So it says there's no smudging, flaking, or crumbling. Just black, fluttery lashes for up to 12 hours. Okay, guys. We'll give this one a go because I'm always down for a good mascara. Let's see what else is in here. Okay, guys. The next thing they put in here is this guy. So this is a Dead Sea Water Mineral Body Lotion. It says it's been sea kissed. Kind of cool, right? Let's pop it open. I'm sure it's, oh no. It's not sealed. I'm going to say, I'm sure it's probably sealed, but it's not. Ooh, that smells so good. Wow, that is a great smell. Oh, yes. Wow. I love the smell of this stuff. It's got, I don't know, some kind of perfumey situation happening. I really like this. Wow. Let's take a look here. So it's deeply hydrating and fast absorbing. They have Ahava body lotions. I don't know, guys. I'll put the word here. I have no idea what this stuff says. So they work to soften and smooth your skin from head to toe. Filled with minerals and antioxidants, your body will feel revitalized. Yay! Refreshed and restored. So it's perfect for sensitive skin. So free from parabens and harsh synthetic ingredients. All right, guys. I'm down for this guy. It smells amazing. Wow. Love a good smelling hand cream. Let's see what else is in here. Hey there, Amber here, just popping into the video to say if you're enjoying this video, I have so many more like it and many more to come. So make sure you're subscribed, click that notification bell so you know every time I upload a video and you won't miss all the super fun stuff I have going on here. Let's jump back into this haul. Okay guys, the next thing in here is this. It says it's a Mayo sun-drenched body wash. Okay, that sounds good. That sounds good. It does smell really good. Definitely smells really good. Let's take a look here what we got. It says it has a delightful citrusy scent. It's delightful. I liked it. And subtle shimmer running throughout. Okay, so it's got like a little shimmer in there. Pretty cool. All right. So it'll deeply hydrate your skin with this Mayo body wash. It's formulated with Indian fig extracts. Okay. And monk's pepper berry to give an instant soothing effect for both the mind and the body. Okay, so this is going to work with your mind and your body. Pretty exciting, right? Let's see what else is in here. Okay, guys, I noticed for some reason, I just wanted to point this out. I keep like doing this. Let's see what else. Let's see what else. I'm not sure what that is. I can't explain it. Nonetheless, the last thing they stuck in this box was this. So this is actually for your hair. So they're saying this is a perfecting wonder balm, and it's for your hair. Okay, so this miracle leave-in balm preps and primes your hair in readiness for all styling products and techniques. All right, it makes your regular styling products work wonders, giving you more control and better results that last longer. Just saying. So plus it protects from frizz and humidity for up to 72 hours. So just imagine 3 days is frizz free. Perfect. All right, let's give this a little smell. Is it sealed? Oh, of course it's sealed, because you guys love when I have to like fumble around and open stuff up. All right, so let's see here. Ooh, wow. That's a great smell. A great smell. So that I just read what the benefits are. It pretty much says the same thing here. It's like a miracle primer for your hair. So guys, yes, we'll give this a go. You know, this turned out to be a really good box for like off the cuff, just me impulse buying it. So pretty awesome. Let's jump into final thoughts. Okay guys, so not bad, right? I mean, this was a really good box for free. Do I think that it'll be worth the subscription cost? I really actually forget how much that was, but let's say it's around 20 bucks a month. I'm not really sure if it's going to be worth that. We'll have to see going forward. There were 6 products in there. I don't believe all of them were full size. So we'll see if this will be one I continue to do or not, but I'm definitely going to be able to use all the products that they sent to me. Definitely right up my alley with products that I'm actually looking for all the time. So I'm really excited to try the stuff that they sent in the box, but I'm just not sure if this is going to be one that I'll want to continue to do after I fulfill my 3 months from getting my free box. Okay guys, so I'm popping into the video for the last time this month for everyone who has been participating in my contest as I tried to make it to 5,000 subscribers by the end of the month. Clearly, I'm not going to meet that goal, but there is still a small prize on the table for that $50 gift card for those of you who are participating in the contest. So, for today's video, all you need to do is let me know your thoughts about this beauty box. Would this be a beauty box that you would want to do? And if so, can you let me know what products you liked best about this beauty box that would make you want to get this beauty box so I can decide whether or not I should keep doing it or if I should cancel it. So that's all you got to do. Comment below, let me know your thoughts, and that will put you as a contender for that $50 prize. So I hope you found this video helpful or useful in some way. If you did, please hit that subscribe button, click the notification bell, like, share, do all those things to help other people find this channel. Thanks so much for taking the time to check this out, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye! What's up? Okay, hold on. What's up, gorgeous people? It's Amber. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm finally going to go ahead and review. This isn't working already. Let me think about it.